Welcome back to MC Academy. Today, we dive deep into the world of commodities trading, focusing on contract sizes. Commodities futures are traded through contracts. They represent specific quantities of a commodity. Each contract has a standardized size set by its futures exchange. Let's take gold as an example. A gold futures contract represents 100 troy ounces. It is essential to note that not all commodities have the same contract size. While gold might be traded in 100 troy ounce contracts, other commodities like oil or wheat have their own standardized sizes. Now, if gold is priced at $1,900 per ounce, can you guess the worth of a standard contract? But what if you are not ready for such a large investment? Enter the mini contracts. While a standard gold contract is 100 troy ounces, a mini contract could be anywhere between 10 to 50 troy ounces, typically around half or even less of the standard size. These mini contracts are tailored for individual investors. They demand less capital, offer lower margins, and come with smaller exchange fees. Yet, they promise the same flexibility, safety, and security as the big players. Now, the golden question: where can you trade these contracts, standard or mini? CFD platforms might be your best bet. They offer the power of leverage. Plus, you get access to global markets all in one place. Simple, flexible, and efficient, that's the CFD advantage. Visit the Magic Compass website for a quiz based on today's video and explore more tutorials to sharpen your trading skills. If you are prepared to start trading, open your MC account today and embark on your journey into the exciting world of CFD. See you there.